Hey, what's going on? Michael Petty here. So this is gonna be a super quick video. So I was sitting uh, in the house taking care of my granddaughter, watching her because my wife is on a Zoom or a team call with a group of women that like to do arts and crafts and stuff because that's her thing. But I got a notification on my phone saying you had money transferred over to your Paylution account that I wasn't expecting. So I decided to come in here and I jumped in the back office and something said just check some things out. Now I'm gonna bring this up real quick. So this shows a commission earned, right? This week I earned $25. Neighbor passing by. So I earned $25 from this AAA workshop. That's AI Automation Academy. Now, truthfully, I don't own this. But through the way the system works, I still make money off of it. I don't even know how because I don't even promote this. All I focus on is Lead Lightning. This $7 system right here, that's all I focus on. I just promote Lead Lightning and I let it promote Exodus Elite. I don't even focus on anything else that's inside all these products you can make money on. I don't even focus on it. I just promote Lead Lightning, that very first one. So this system is designed to help you make money on autopilot. That's what I like about Power Lead System. If you want more information about this, click the link down in the description, get in Lead Lightning. You will see how it works. The system sells itself. As you can see, I don't promote that. I lead with Lead Lightning. I let the system promote Exodus Elite. Lead Lightning and Exodus Elite. That's all I focus on. But I can make money off the AAA. I got some gold memberships in the back office. I'm getting paid for those. That's residual income, right? Once I get started in this, there's going to be some residual income. Not on this one, but on the more that is coming. Because I decided I'm going to go ahead and get that. Because my wife, she want to study the AI things. So I say, you know what, let me go ahead and get that. Because not even to make money off of it because my wife wanted it. But as you can see, why not have it? Because you can make money off of it. I don't own everything, but a lot of this other stuff I do own. And I don't even talk about it. I don't even bring it up. I talk about Lead Lightning and Exodus Elite. I know I keep repeating myself, but I just want to express the simplicity on how this system makes you money literally. You focus on being yourself. You focus on your message and let the system make you money. If you can find something easier than that, let me know. But I doubt you're going to find something so simple when you can make money on autopilot on the back end promoting a simple $7 system. But yes, you have to be in a position to earn these. You have to position yourself to earn on the other levels. Yeah, this is a business. You got to buy a product. You got to buy stuff. You have to buy stuff in order to make money from it. Think about a store. You got to buy clothes in an apparel store to put them on the racks to sell them. Right? You have to invest some form of money to get paid that income. But how simple is it promoting one simple $7 system? Listen, my name is Michael Petty. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll talk to you soon.